GM guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you exactly how to use the 9jaCashFlow.com website to get updates about trading, investing and online business. So first and foremost, you need to visit the website, then scroll down. Here we have daily news that have been aggregated about crypto trading, forex trading, stocks, online business. If you even click on load more, you will see on agriculture and real estate. So every day we gather news. For example, if I click on the crypto trading, you're going to see a list of trending news that you can read and stay up to date about crypto. We have 20 news every single day. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to the website. Okay, so clicking on that news brought me to Cointelegraph, and I can read the news and stay up to date. So this is an aggregate of the top news for the day. Every single morning you are going to see those news. At the right hand side we have the 9jaCashFlow Insights. Here we share practical insights, practical knowledge. I share my own experience. I write this out, and you can read it and learn more. Okay, if you scroll down, we have what we call the 9jaCashFlow signals. These are some of the trades that we are taking. It's not all the trades, but some of the trades that we are taking personally at the 9jaCashFlow Academy. The last post we made was about Trust Wallet. So we recommended a buy for Trust Wallet because it was at weekly support. So these are entry and signal is still valid. The platform to buy is here, the signal is here, and it's still ongoing. Okay, trade outcome is still ongoing. Okay, so feel free to check any of the 9jaCashFlow signals. At the right hand side we have the YouTube videos. We have our videos. You can visit our channel. If you click here, you can visit our channel and see our latest video. Okay, but still on the website you can watch our latest videos here. We usually have trading live stream in New York session. That's afternoon by 1 p.m. and you can join us. Okay, if you scroll down, we have trading session. For some of you that you have a particular session that you trade, you can come here and see exactly when that session opens and when that session closes. So right now we're in London session, and we'll soon enter New York session. So the reason why this is here is because sometimes time zones do change. Okay, and because of that, right now New York session is 1 p.m. It's possible that it switches to 2 p.m. and it switches back based on GMT and other time zones. So here is going to tell you the correct one. At the right hand side we have the high impact news calendar. This is showing us news that are most likely to impact the market and cause volatility of fluctuation in price. Okay, so we have the medium impact, and the red ones are the high impact. So sometimes you might need to wait for your setup, wait for the news before entering your setup, if it's applicable to your pair. So if you are trading, let's say you are trading Euro pair, today Monday 04, if you are trading Euro pair, it's better to just wait till after the news, then you can have your position, because there's nothing like entering a position, it's going your own way, and because of the news it came back to your stop loss and you actually lost that trade. Okay, so moving to the bottom of the page, we have the daily market scan. So here every single day we scan the entire crypto, forex, stocks market, and we look for market that are trending, that have high momentum, that is, they are moving. So if you enter a trade, you don't have to wait too long, and we look for market that are trending. Okay, so you don't have to do the heavy lifting yourself. This is our market scanner. As you can see, if you scroll down, these are market that are bullish, right, and these are market that are bearish, and they are all trends are the same. So basically, these are trending and momentum markets. Trending market means it has a clear trend, it has a clear direction, and momentum means it's moving fast, it's not slow. Because if it's not moving fast, then you might enter a trade and have to wait for so long. So this is for momentum markets and trending market. So if you scroll down, we have for Bybit. So if you are trading on Bybit MT5, this is a market that you can trade. We also have for Deriv, for those that are trading Deriv. So let me switch over to Deriv. So let me keep scrolling. So here is for the Deriv market. These are trending market on the Deriv. We have some market that are very bullish, that probably if you see a good setup, you can take it. Okay, so if you still scroll down, at the bottom we have watch list. These are market that I'm watching myself. So on Deriv, these are market that I'm watching, and it's telling me the overall trend. It's telling me where the market is right now. It's saying is at higher time frame zone. It has the support of 97.6, and the next resistance is 98.1, while next support is 98.08. So it also helps you with the resistance. For gold, it's telling us the next resistance is 44,854, next support is 4,403. So if you check all this, you see that if you look at your chart, it's actually correct. So basically, that's how we roll on the 9jaCashFlow platform. If you come back to our page, at the right hand side of the daily market scan, we have the live market price. So under the live market price, we have price of crypto. You can click on crypto. Price of commodities, you see commodities like gold, like silver, like US oil. At the forex side, we see forex pairs. This is USD NGN. This is the price of naira, of 1 USD in naira. That is 1374. Okay, we have GPP NGN. So 1 GPP is 1861. 1 euro is 1006. Okay, we also have indices for those of you that trades dollar index or S&P 500 or Nasdaq or Dow Jones. That's US 30. We have ETFs for those of you that trade ETFs or you bought ETFs on investment platform. We have Invesco commodities. We have Vanguard. We have iShares Gold. We have QQQ at the bottom. You see QQQ. Okay, this is QQQ. Okay, so we also have the chart. We have the chart here. We have the chart of it. We have US stocks. If you want to see US stocks, we have them. We have US stocks. We have Nvidia, Microsoft, Apple. We also have Nigerian stocks. Let's go there. So we have Airtel, Boa Foods, Dangote Cement. We also have Nigerian economic data. So if you're interested in Nigerian economic data like Nigeria GDP, Nigeria GDP growth, Nigeria real GDP, we have a lot of them, that you can look. If you're looking at Nigeria GDP from mining, so we have a lot of them. Okay, so if you keep scrolling down, we have what we call the crypto coins heat map. On the crypto coins heat map, you are seeing the major cryptocurrencies and how they have changed in the past one day. So this is for Bitcoin, this is for Ethereum, this is for XRP, this is for BNB. So this is like a bubble. It tells you the major ones and how they have changed. If you're also looking for stocks, we have stock heat map and different sector. So we have for electronic technology, we have for technology services, we have for retail trade, health technology. So I'm going to see the major ones. So if you don't have any stock in mind, you can call me and see the major ones. So if you also scroll down, you're going to see our recommended brokers. So we strongly recommend Binance for crypto trading. We also recommend Xnest for those that are trading Forex, and Bybit also for crypto and Forex, because Bybit also offer Forex. If you scroll down, you are going to see the 9jaCashFlow events. These are past events, and you're also going to see our shops at the right hand side. Here we have a couple products that we are selling. You can patronize us if it's based on your need. Okay, and here we have the link to join our Telegram group where you can get free updates about trading, investment, and online business opportunities. And here, if you want to message us directly, if you scroll down a bit, you are going to see our categories, trading, investing, online business. These insights that we share regularly, these signals, these are our trade signals. And don't forget, we have a disclaimer: we share financial education and real experiences. We don't do financial advice. We don't manage money for others. And also, you have to manage your risks carefully when it comes to trading and investing. Under useful links, we have shop. If you want to visit our shop and see the various products that we have, so that you can purchase the one that meets your needs. We also have account section, so that you can access your account. We have book a call in case you want to book a call with us. We have privacy policy, but most importantly, we have the daily market scanner page. We also have the daily news aggregator page and the Binance market scanner page. So for the daily market scanner page, here you can check the daily market scan, or if you come to market scanner menu at the top and just click on daily market scanner, you are going to see the last scan. You see the date. So this one was 0652, that's 6:52 this morning. That was when the scan was done, right? And you can just scroll down and access any market. You can view all the trends, right, on 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour, 1 day. Okay, if you come to the daily news aggregator page, here you see different news from real estate to agriculture to online business. So you don't have to be clicking crypto daily news, forex daily news, stock daily news one by one. If you just come here to the daily news aggregator, you can access that of agriculture, that of online business, that of stock, forex, crypto. At the bottom you see that of crypto. Okay, and finally, if you come to the Binance market scanner, you're going to see the last scan. You're going to see trending and momentum market on Binance. You're going to see different coins that are trending. Then we have the watch list. That's the trend for BTC, BCH, ETH, Solana, etc. So guys, you don't have to trade all this. This is just a scanner. You still have to do your due diligence, do your research, and manage your risk carefully. So guys, that's a walkthrough on how to access and use the 9jaCashFlow website. If you have any question, can you please down in the comment section below? And before you leave, please subscribe to this channel, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye.